I'll show you my wild cat. Look at my wild cat. What she did. Roxy. She catches a bird. Small bird. A bird. I wanted to save it, but this bird is already died. It is no longer live. रॉक्सी, मेरे से छुपकर वो झाड़ों के अंदर, ये टहनी अभी ऊपर से कटी है तो इस टहनी में ये छुपा कर खा रही है। रॉक्सी, हाँ, छोड़ मेरे। रॉक्सी, hey रॉक्सी, This is the tiny bird. I think this is tailor bird. Take your lunch. She again hides in the bush and eats secretly. Actually, she hides her prey behind the leaves. She thinks nobody can see. But soon I will throw these all leaves of neem tree outside my boundary wall there. This is all the leaves and leftover woods we throw there. And now I am digging a hole for this new plant. This is very good. This plant cost me 120. This is I think 2 feet tall. This is the hole, and see what I found in the hole. It is a worm. I already found it, another one, and I placed it here so that I can put this thing into my flower pot so that it cultivates the plant soil very well, and nutrition, it provides nutrition to and ventilation to the soil. Oh, look at her, she want to catch. This is not for you. This is the lunch for the bird that you just eat. She is very punctual. This is my dog Max. I'll show you. I gave him a bone. He loves to eat bones. And some meat, leftover red meat. Look at the greenery. This is another dog. Don't. Shoo, shoo, shoo. I think he is old enough. And she is sitting here looking at the dogs. Some auto rickshaw driver drifted on the colony road. This is so wild. This dog is like wolves. This kind of big dog. Very thick neck. And look at Max. Max is following the female dog. He's finding his mate. Let's plant a tree. This is my rod by which I am digging the pond. Look at this. Now this soil is well ventilated and very easy for the roots to grow. Let's see the size of the pot. It's good enough. Now we will again do some what is this? Kind of a stone. Some roots are there from this tree. This is the tree of flower called hibiscus. Maybe some birds are there of hibiscus. Let me show you. This is the bud of the hibiscus flower. It will bloom soon, maybe within 1 or 2 days. Okay, let me tear this plastic so that we can easily plant our tree on the soil. Look at the final result. I planted this little tree. This is kind of bonsai tree. Now it will grow up to this height and I will cut it in the round shape.